As we are all aware, the logistics is a lifeblood for the global trade and a critical driver for the regional economics. The sectors of exponential growth characterized by the landscape abounding with the domestic and international players helps the strategic development of the various parameters of the logistics sector in Goa. The endeavor promises to redefine the trajectory of our state, ushering in the investment, fostering the employment, and catalyzing the economic growth and entire state through the dynamic logistic industry. The recent launch of Gati Shakti Yojana, a visionary project by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, the set for the state for the new era in India's as well as the Goa's logistic landscape. The ambitious plan to aim for the integrity of the various ministries and departments, the creating the digital platform for the comprehensive project planning. By interconnecting the roadway, railways, airways and waterways, we pave the way for the seamless movement of the goods. This is not only to ensure the transparency in the project monitoring, but also providing the invaluable information about the upcoming connectivity ventures to the community. The overreaching goal of the propel of our economy to greater heights, the aiming for the sustainable $5 trillion mark, and with an eye towards the $20 trillion economy by 2040.